Hello guys, I'm gonna show you how to customize your mouse cursor to anything you want. It's gonna work in Windows 10 and 11. We start at 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 going this website called uh, I'm gonna copy this chap aricreation.com. I'm gonna copy this into the description. If you want, go to the link in the description. The description. And what you do is you gonna find free collections and find a cursor that you find is good for you. I gonna take this and click download for free. And what they do is download it. What you what I need to do is go to a settings and 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 go to download and I need to extract this file and what you extract this file I need to go to the cursors and 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 select dark or light. I'm gonna choose light and I need to right click on it. If I right click on it, the install button and click install. Is 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 done done done. Go to uh, a a a a a a, mo- a, a Windows folder will pop up. Uh, Click OK here, and you have a custom mouse cursor in here. Here. I have this. Okay, bye.